Hello, Chicago. Hello, Nigerians. This is the Daily Center, right in the heart of downtown Chicago. Austin Ozemena here. This is it. This is the place where we're gonna be. That's the Picasso right there. That's the TV station right there. To the east is Lake Michigan. These grounds has been paid for by ODIPAC and their donors for the 21st of this month on Sunday. You own this place on Sunday from 1 o'clock till 5 p.m. This is time for you to come out and let your voices be heard. This location was strategically chosen because of the spot where it is and the date as well was strategically chosen because of the weather. The weather is going to be beautiful. They are parking all around this place on the streets. You can park where they are designated. Use your mobile pay or feed the meter and then come on down. Let's talk. Let's let the world know how we feel about this past election in Nigeria. So what's gonna be your excuse? You're too tired? You're going to work on that day? Or you just don't give a damn anymore? Or maybe you're so in love with your recliner and your remote control on the weekends. Excuse my sarcasm. Come on, people. This is for our children. This is for the future. We need to let our voices be heard. This originated from Africa. It's not just from the West. This is democracy. Thousands of years ago, our people held rallies, they protested, they formed picket lines. That's democracy. So we need to do this for our children. They will see this, they will remember that my parents actually raised their voices. They did something, they made moves, they ran, they walked, they crawled for the sake of their future. So please, folks, let's do this. It's a sacrifice. It's not that easy, but we need to do it. We have to believe in something and then walk the walk. We need to have a political base for the future generation, both in America and in Nigeria. These children are coming up. We need to have a block. We need to be recognized by the politicians of this country and Nigeria. We need to speak with our numbers and our money as well. So please, let's bring out this day to make that sacrifice. Don't be tired. Do not relent. Americans have been doing it for hundreds of years. We want change. Everybody wants change in Nigeria. So please come out, come with your families, your friends. Let's tell the world how we feel. Hope to see you there. God bless you and your family as you come. Thank you.